One of the most widely used analytics platforms in the Cardano ecosystem, TapTools, has announced it will shut down within the next 2 weeks, closing the chapter on 4 years of operations. The platform served over 1 million users and underpinned hundreds of projects through its API, offering everything from real-time token charts and wallet tracking to DeFi analytics and portfolio management. This closure removes a significant piece of infrastructure from the ecosystem. TapTools cited a compounding series of setbacks as the cause of its closure. Two co-founders departed, followed shortly after by the platform's newly appointed chief technology officer. These leadership losses, layered on top of infrastructure and operational support, costs the team described as hard to sustain, ultimately made continuing the platform untenable. The team left a narrow door open, stating it would consider an acquisition or new backing if a credible path emerged. This development comes at a difficult time for the Cardano ecosystem. The same week TapTools announced its shutdown, the 2026 Cardano Summit was officially canceled after a treasury funding vote fell. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Just short of the required threshold. A revised request for approximately 7.8 million ADA, worth around $2 million, drew majority support but stalled at 65.21%, just below the two-thirds supermajority that Treasury withdrawals require. This means the event, which was expected to bring momentum and visibility to the ecosystem, will not proceed as planned. TapTools had established itself as the leading asset tracking tool on Cardano, combining the functions of a trading terminal, blockchain explorer, and portfolio manager in a single platform. Its closure leaves a gap in the ecosystem's tooling, potentially affecting user experience, project development, and data transparency. Developers and investors who relied on TapTools for portfolio tracking, DeFi analytics, and wallet insights will now need to seek alternative platforms or build new tools. The impact of this closure is not yet fully understood. While some users may transition to competing platforms or open-source alternatives, the loss of a centralized and well-integrated analytics hub could create friction in the Cardano ecosystem. This is especially significant given the broader funding challenges the ecosystem is currently facing. The timing of the TapTools shutdown adds to the uncertainty surrounding Cardano's momentum. The Cardano Foundation and key figures like Charles Hoskinson and Frederick Gregard have been vocal about the importance of community and funding in driving progress. With the summit canceled and a key analytics platform closing, the ecosystem faces a period of transition and potential instability. The next signal to watch is whether the Cardano community can rally around new tools or initiatives to replace the functions provided by TapTools. Will developers step in to fill the? Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Gap, or will the ecosystem face a period of reduced data transparency and user support? Additionally, the next Treasury funding vote will be a key indicator of whether the community can overcome the current funding hurdles and move forward with major projects and events. For now, the closure of TapTools and the cancellation of the summit highlight the fragility of infrastructure and funding in the Cardano ecosystem. As the platform moves forward, the community will need to find new ways to maintain transparency, support innovation, and sustain user engagement.